Unicorns, welcome back to my channel Tales of Unicorn. To all the new people there, hi, I'm Harita. I'm basically a travel content creator and right now you're watching my Singapore travel series. So already a couple of vlogs have been out on my channel, so please do check the links in the description. And also if you want to know the tidbits quickly, you can check out my Instagram account, which is also Tales of Unicorn. So right now you would have seen in the title and thumbnail, I am here for the night safari at Singapore Zoo. So let's get into the video. To reach Singapore Zoo, you have to take the MRT to Khatib station, and from there you will get Mandai Reserve's shuttle bus to the zoo itself. You have to pay $2 at the start itself, which includes the return fare too. I'm going for night safari only, which by the way happens between 7 to 12 p.m. But if you want to visit the zoo, you can reach here early in the morning, and here they have Birds Paradise and River Wonders is also highly recommended. So to visit them all, you have to keep one whole day in your itinerary for this and reach here in the morning. I booked my tickets through the Klook app. You can check for them in the description. So this is basically the entry, and they say through tram station you can cover only 30% of the trails. So remaining trails you have to cover by walk. So first I'm going to take the tram and see how much I can cover by myself, and then I'm going to return for the trail by foot. This is the crowd for tram. So if you want to leave early, you can reach here by 6 p.m. itself to catch the first tram at 7 p.m. But they have so many trams running continuously, so don't worry about the wait. I got my tram by 7:20 p.m. But if you're just two people and if there's a lot of crowd, you might be asked to share your seats with others as it's a 4-seater. So in such cases, make sure to sit on the right side as you can get a close view of many animals from that side. I'm showing you only very few animals because I want you to visit and enjoy them all during your trip. I've shot all the clips on iPhone 15 and comparatively this view is much better than the naked eye view, because in real time, like in the live view, we were barely able to see the animals in the night view, but iPhone has done an excellent job in enhancing the light in this. Since I was very tired with all the walking and vlogging continuously, so I skipped safari trails, which we should cover by foot. So on safari trails, you can see a different set of animals, which I didn't get to explore. I was hungry and ordered a naan and chicken tikka to be on the safer side, but honestly, it was not at all. I hope you understand. But there are other stalls with different foods of Singapore cuisine. You can try them, or you can have early dinner before reaching here, as it can be expensive inside the zoo. Even though I skipped safari trails, I booked a show called Creatures of the Night, which is free of cost but on first come first serve basis. So you can book it using QR code at the zoo itself. Overall, the show was informative, interesting and funny, so please do not miss this show. It's not like a circus show, but they are well-trained exotic species from around the world. I'm showing you only a couple of them. Like this one can hang down just using its tail. Imagine carrying all its body weight on that tail alone. This is a display of an owl turning its head up to 270 degrees. So once you come out of the amphitheater, you have so many shops here. So I went to the second shop, and you can also go to the second shop to redeem your merchandise. So I'll show what's the merchandise in the next clip. So this is actually the merchandise which I got, and you will get it only if it's included in your ticket. It's a collapsible cup, that is a reversible cup. It's actually made of good material though. So this is the cup. You have a straw attached over here. So this is the lid, and yeah, you can open it like this. This is a stand for your cup. So this is the cup. So this is your stand. Okay, and this will be your straw. After you're done with everything, you can exit and take the shuttle bus to reach Katib MRT, for which you paid at the start itself. So MRTs here run up to 11:45 p.m. So you can book a cab after that if you're late.
So that's it for the Singapore Zoo night safari video, guys. So I hope I gave you some kind of valuable information. So if it helped you, please do hit the like button. Also, please subscribe to my channel Tales of Unicorn. And if you want to watch all the Singapore highlights images, please do check out my Instagram account. This is also Tales of Unicorn. And I'll see you guys real soon in another exciting video. Until then, unleash the unicorn in you.